You can actually turn a GitHub repository into an interactive diagram by just simply modifying the URL in few seconds. And all you have to do is just to change the GitHub URL to something I'm going to be showing you right now in the video, which is absolutely amazing. So without any further ado, let's go ahead to look at how we can do this together. All right, so I'm going to jump into my screen right now, and I'm going to open a particular repository that I pinned here. I'm going to work with this one, LLM application with LCE. So I'm going to command click on this to open this in a new tab, or control click whatsoever. And basically, this is a repo I worked on before, basically building large language model apps with LangChain expression language. So all you have to do to visualize this is to come to the URL, right? Change the hub that is written here, the hub, HUB. So delete that and change it to diagram, right? And click enter. So once you click enter, it's going to go ahead to generate the diagram for you without even wasting much of your time, right? So I've loaded this before, but if this is your first time doing yours, AI is going to go ahead to process some information, then generate the diagram for you, right? It's simple and straightforward, right? And you can see that here we have the backend, we have the client, we have the requirements, and we also have a demo, right? This is really, really nice. And from the env to the fast api to the chain I created, this is really awesome. And I don't need to start going to another website to create a diagram again, then start linking my URL one by one. Basically, it creates the interactive diagram for me. So let's see what's going to happen. You can see it even went ahead to even see the external LLM service I use, which is Grok. This is really, really awesome. So let's see what's going to happen if we click on a particular diagram. So I'm going to come and click on this, and you can see that here it takes me to it takes me to the repository file. This is really, really awesome, and this is actually a great way to actually create um interactive diagram in just few seconds, right? So let's try this out with something else. Let me try it out with this LangChain, the basics I also did a few months ago. Basically, this repository is just about basic things you need to know about LangChain, right? So Olama, vector database, embedding, RAG application, and all of that. All right. So I'm just going to change this from GitHub to Git diagram, right? And click enter, and you can see how awesome this is, right? It's went ahead to create, and I think I can actually zoom in or zoom out. This is really awesome, right? So I'm just gonna leave it as default. And it went ahead from the data source to load document ingestion, split text, remove character splitter. This is really, really awesome, guys. I really love this because I don't need to stress myself about creating diagrams and also working with code base. I can just do it in a very, very simple step by just modifying the URL, right? So you can see the query, call chain examples, the response, all of this is really awesome. They even talked about the OpenAI embedding, Olama embedding, and also Hugging Face embedding. This is really nice. The fierce index, the fierce index file, the chroma db service, chroma db is really awesome. So if I click on this also, you can see that's going to take me to the words Kulama, sorry, OpenAI embedding, which I clicked on. This is really, really awesome. And I mean, this is a great way of actually visualizing your file right now. If you want to check out the GitHub repository of this particular Git diagram, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below, right? I'm also going to leave the post that I saw on LinkedIn. So shout out to Ahmed for creating this Git diagram. This is really, really nice. And also shout out to um Sumant, right? I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but this was the post I saw that also made me know about Git diagram. So I just felt it was something to share with you guys, in case you need it for your project or you just want to visualize a particular repository. This is a great way of doing that in just few seconds. I hope you guys found this video informative and interesting. If you do, please do well to like the video and let me know types of video that you want me to make. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.